Oh shit, man. We back. Cali Kitchen Reviews. You feel me? Today, we want to funnel birds. You feel me? We got what they known for. Got this funnel bun with the nice chicken, with the cheese, all that good stuff, man. They say something like chicken and waffles with they sauce. You feel me? And these fries. And just cause I love y'all, you feel me? Cali had to do something a little different today. If I could tolerate some hot, they says they had something real hot, ghost pepper hot. So I got they face off, spicy, hot. Look at all of that. They make sure that this video is correct. You feel me? Definitely go get a board. I ain't even tried it yet, but I'm gonna tell y'all get a board now because I don't know if I'll be able to talk after this hot ass chicken sandwich. But you feel me? Here we go. Let's start with the fries. Oh yeah, wait. I forgot y'all. And the strawberry lemonade. I don't know if it's gonna help me, but you feel we're gonna try. We got a review on everything. So let's go. Let's go. Alright. Let's go with the fries. They got a unique blend. I like what they did with that. These ain't just regular crinkle fries. It's got a little something on this, a little hot. Woo, a little hot. Saying hot make me think back to that thing right there, man. Here we go. Now, I'm gonna try that sauce. Give them, I'm gonna try it with that burger. The funnel cake burger. Yeah, that's funnels. All that. Let's see the dip. It's all in the dip. Okay. It's got a nice sensation of honey and syrup. Motherfucking sweet ass funnel cakes with a nice sweet blend of spicy chicken. Hold on, and I get a little bit of cheese, but the cheese. Hold on, we ain't gonna play with this one. Don't play. Shit, hold on, let me play. I ain't playing with this one. Oh yeah. Do a fly in these summer. Oh yeah. I'm talking about number one stunners right here. Yeah. Taking it back. Way back. Okay. Now. Hey, this one's really for y'all, man. Because I love y'all. All my Cali Kitcheners. You feel me? Love y'all. You feel me? Woo-hoo! This is the face off from Funnelberg. This is his first reaction. Okay. Jeez! Man, let's go in, man. Enough talking about it. Let's be about it. That's what we do, right? That's what we doing. Oh. 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 Gotta do this. Oh. Hold on now. I'm trying to get to the second bite for y'all. Hold on now. Woo. Wait a minute. Wait, it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Shout out Nelly. I don't know. Woo! Hold on. Woo! Yeah, it tastes good. But you see how immediately I gotta review that strawberry lemonade? We ain't playing with this. We'll try this all the way through. Oh. Oh yeah. But don't take my word for it. Go get you a bar. It's Cali Kitchen Reviews. Signing out. That's Funnel Birds. Yeah, it's hot as a mug. All right.